we have to find the sum. In the first example, we have 0 plus negative 9. So first we check which number is greater. We have 0 and 9. 9, of course, is greater than 0. We have forgot first about the sign. It doesn't matter what we have before 9. We just check which number is greater. 9 is greater than 0. So when we choose which number is greater, then we have to check the sign before this greater integer. Is negative, so we copy negative sign and open parentheses. In parentheses, we will subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 9 minus 0. Negative sign we copy. 9 minus 0 is 9. So this is 9. 0 plus negative 9, of course, is negative 9. Next example. Addition of integers with different sign. Positive 8, we don't write positive sign, and negative 3. First, we check which integer is greater. Which number is greater? 8 is greater than 3. So next, we check the sign before the greater number. Before 8, we don't have any sign. It means it's positive, so we can write positive sign. And in parentheses, we have to subtract from the greater number smaller. 8 minus 3 will be. Close parentheses, copy sign before parentheses. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is positive 5. We don't have to write this positive sign, so it will be just 5. 8 plus negative 3 is 5. Next example, we have negative 21 and 21. First, we check which number is greater, 21 and 21. So they are the same. When we have the same numbers, one negative, one positive, first we can always write positive number. So we have 21 minus 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. So this is my solution.